friends, thanks so much for watching. Today I have a super easy Christmas DIY to share with you. I'm going to share how to make this Christmas ornament garland. It is so easy. I was inspired by the Instagram account, The House of Silver Lining. I saw her beautiful tree and she linked the different ornaments that she used, and one of the items she used was ornament garland that she purchased from Amazon, and I just thought to myself, why can I not make that myself? So I did a little bit of searching on YouTube and came across a DIY video. So I will link that video down below because I love to give credit where credit is due. But she just shared what I already knew. Basically, you're putting ornaments on a string. But I will link her video down below in case you want to check out hers as well. I just love how you can use this to make your tree look extra full, or again, you can use it to decorate a shelf or a desk space, as you see I've done here. I love that this project cost absolutely nothing. I'm just using ornaments I already had on hand. I decided to go with gold and silver ornaments of different sizes and different textures. You can use any string of your choice and color. I decided to go with this twine that I already had on hand. I liked that it was light in color. I figured it would easily blend in on my white desk. Cut your string to your preferred length. You might find it helpful to have extra length than you actually need. That way, if you decide to make your garland looser, you have that option. And I just simply am going to create a simple loop at the end by creating a loop and then knotting the loop. That way, if I decide to hang it elsewhere or hang it on the tree, I have that option. Now you can start stringing your bulbs, and I like to string my bulbs in different colors in groups of 4, so I would have 2 silver bulbs, 2 gold bulbs, and also switch up the variety of the textures as well. You can make this garland as loose or as tight as you want. Here is an example of what it looks like when the ornaments are placed close together. It's more of a tight look, and this is really, really pretty. It does require a lot more ornaments. For my garland though, I wanted a looser look. That way, if I decide to use it on the tree, it will be more flexible. And to get that looser look, all you need to do is space the ornaments further apart. I ended up grouping my ornaments, as I said, in groups of 4, and then I would have about 2 inches in between each grouping. Once you've reached the end of your garland, finish it off by creating another loop and then cut off the extra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and let me know down in the comments if you decide to try this DIY yourself. Let me know how it turns out. I'd love to hear from you. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so you don't miss out on my future videos. I actually have part 2 of my Christmas decorating series that I will be posting on Friday, so be sure you stay tuned for that. But have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.